Hello, George, Fat Ninja Food Forest. Just out harvesting some radishes, thinning them out. Got some gorgeous radishes. On the way by, I bumped into some gooseberries, some currants, some figs, some pears, some cherries. So I just want to show how here. I'm in the annual garden. This is the bottom of our annual garden, what I call the long-term annual. Got broccolis and cabbages in here. Cabbages under there, broccolis out here, carrots, beans, garlic, radishes, peas, whatnot. But mixed in are these apples, cherries, figs, pears, gooseberries, currants, jostaberries again, pawpaws, gummy berries, and so on. So just being able to fit a ducks. They went in. A lot in a little area. They've also got potatoes, or varieties of radishes, and on and on. I'm repeating myself, but just take a quick look here before I shut this down. This is what inspired me, just walking through here, harvesting radishes here and there. We're at what should be around our last frost date. We haven't had a frost in a week or two. Blueberries. But we can produce a lot in a small area when we start working with nature, not against her. Change can be better than a holiday. Long overdue. I'm George. That's Fat Ninja Food Forest. Peace.